Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MailChimp pop-up in your WordPress website. So here you can see that's the pop-up here. You can collect your readers and your client's email list in your MailChimp. So how to do this? So let's start. So that's the website here. In this website, we are going to implement our pop-up, MailChimp pop-up. So first we need to create the account in MailChimp. So open MailChimp, open it. Now click on sign up for free. Your email address, your username, and your password, and click on get started. Now you have to verify your email address. Open your Gmail account and verify this MailChimp account. Click on activate account. I'm not a robot. Now we are using here free plan and complete. Name. So we are going to put our name here, and business, website, coding bus. Yes, we have a website. We are going to implement this in the rayofsunshine.in. We are going to put this website name and continue. Address line, everything. No. Click on not right now and let's go. Simple. And now you don't need to do anything right now because you are going to use your pop-up only. So now you need to create the campaign. So click on campaigns, and here you will see this button create campaign. Click on this and you will see the sign up form here, this last one. And you have to choose the pop-up form. Click on this pop-up form, and here you need to click on begin. Now that's your pop-up form. Add a nice photo, so just click on this add photo, and there's no files right now, so I'm going to upload from my desktop. I'm going to upload it. Click on the image and click on insert. This one, subscription, and that's your email form. So you can change this form style and color like this, right, like left, and if you want to none, this simple. So I'm going to use stop, and this one is fine. And font is Arial, text color is something black, it's fine. And overlay, everything is fine. And field, I'm going to use first name, last name, and email address. Fine. Now, and content, there is no content. I just need only this information. And if you want only the email address, so just like this. Okay, checked out. Now click on generate code, and you will see this code here. Copy this code and close it. Now click on publish. Fine. Now go to your website here. That's your website. Now go to the theme editor. We are going to paste this code in our header. So here you need to find header.php. Now you have to paste this code in the header section. So you will see that's the head, and just paste this code like this and update file. Now file edited successfully. Now we are going to open our website in incognito, and let's see if that's pop-up work or not. And this website is open, and you will see here that's the pop-up here, and they will ask us email address. So we are going to enter email address and subscribe this. And thank you for subscribe, and just close it. So you will get this email address in your MailChimp list. So we are going to into their MailChimp account again, and let's see where is our list. So now click on the audience, and here you will see new contact is one now here, and click on this and you will see we have just subscribed from this email. So you got this email address here. So that's very simple to getting email address of your reader or of your client. Okay, so that's very easy way. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share this video. Thank you.